I have a bad feeling about this, Mistress. It's too quiet. It feels as if we're walking into a trap.
Still, we must press on, Naisha. If Illidan finds whatever it is he's seeking, he could... Wait, look there. Strange. These are Orcish runes. They were written by Gul'dan when he first opened this tomb 20 years ago.
What do they say?
Apparently, he logged his journey through the tomb's depths. These runes seem to depict that history.
Quickly, you fools! Fan out and search for the primary passageway. We must reach the Chamber of the Eye before the tomb's guardians awaken. Spineless cowards! I said move! Now, Sargeras, I will claim whatever's left of your power and bring this wretched world to its knees.
There's no telling what Gul'dan and his lackeys awoke in this foul place. We must be cautious. The hunt awaits. Now is the time.
More undead orcs!
Gul'dan led them blindly to their deaths. Still, they hunger for revenge. I will finish the hunt. Illidan is out there somewhere.
Moonlight shines upon
Justice
the guilty
will be
and
done.
innocent alike.
The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. We're wasting time here. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. I can wait no longer. Now is the time. The end draws near. We must hurry. The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. The end draws near. The guilty will suffer. I will finish the hunt.
Turn back, you mortals! None may defile the tomb of Sargeras.
Now is the time. The end draws near. I am on. Say no. Justice will be done. For the Watchers. The guilty will suffer. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. Done. We're wasting time here. Now is the time. Illidan is out there somewhere. Now is the time. I am sworn to
How may I serve
The
the
hunt
goddess?
awaits. Justice will be
We
done.
will find justice.
The end draws near. We're wasting time here. The hunt awaits. Illidan is out there somewhere. Sargeras! I will finish the hunt. We must hurry. Justice will be done. We're wasting time here. I can wait no longer. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. We must hurry. The hunt awaits. Illidan is out there somewhere. The end draws near.
I am the blade of the
Our
goddess.
warriors have engaged the enemy.
Illidan is out there somewhere. Justice will be done. I can wait no longer. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. For justice. For the Watchers. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. This is a piece of Gul'dan's shadow orb. He must have shattered it by accident. If we can find the other missing pieces, we could reassemble the orb and use its power to aid us. I can wait no longer. I can wait no longer. The hunt awaits. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. I will finish the hunt. The end draws near. For justice! Now is the time. I can wait no longer. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. We're wasting time here. The guilty will suffer. I can hear our comrades' voices from the other side of this barrier. If we destroy it, they'll be able to get inside and help us hunt for Illidan. The hunt awaits. The end draws near. Illidan is out there somewhere. The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. The end draws near. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. The end draws near. Now is the time. I will finish the hunt. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time.
Our time is short.
Justice will be done. The guilty will suffer.
Where shall I start? Of course.
Our workers are ready.
We're wasting time here. Ashal Garadas! The end draws near. I can wait no longer. There, more of Gul'dan's glyphs. Interesting. They continue the Warlock's tale.
Blasted, feeble-minded weaklings. They're all likely dead by now. Still, I must press on. My power alone should be enough to... That laughter... Is that you, Sargeras? You seek to mock me? We'll see who laughs last, demon, when I claim your burning eye for my own.
Again, he referenced this mysterious eye. What could it be?
An artifact, no doubt. It must have contained tremendous demonic power to lure Gul'dan as it did. We must hurry. I will finish the hunt.
On the way.
I trained before.
The hunt awaits. Justice
Our
will
time
be
is
done.
short.
We're wasting time here. We must hurry. Illidan is out there somewhere. The end draws near.
I'm awake. I'm awake. My path is clear.
I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. Now is the time. Strange. It's a statue of Ajara, the great queen of old. She led our people to ruin by consorting with Sargeras and his burning legion. Only, I don't recall her ever having a tail.
She looks more like a Naga than one of us. Would those foul serpents have any reason to worship our queen?
I don't know, Nisha, but her image chills me to the core. Illidan is out there somewhere. Now is the time.
I'm awake. I'm awake. My path
We must hurry. The guilty will suffer. Justice will be done. Destroy that barrier so our forces outside can join us.
The hunt is on.
Illidan is out there somewhere. I will finish the hunt.
Where shall I strike?
Make it fast.
The hunt awaits. We're wasting time here. We're wasting time here. For the Watchers.
Waiting on you.
Justice will be done. The end draws near. I can wait no longer. Illidan is out there somewhere.
What is nature's call?
How may we serve the goddess?
We must hurry.
Out the way.
The hunt awaits. Now is the time. The hunt awaits. I will finish the hunt. The guilty will suffer. The end draws near. We're wasting time here.
Of course.
Are we being invaded?
Illidan is out there somewhere.
Our time is short.
Justice will be done. I can wait no longer. Now is the time. For justice! I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. The end draws near. For justice! The guilty will suffer. Now is the time.
My path is clear.
The guilty will suffer.
For the trees.
The hunt awaits.
Moonlight shines upon the guilty, and then the
Justice will be done. I will finish the hunt. We're wasting time here. Illidan is out there somewhere.
as you wish. An honor.
The hunt awaits. The end draws near.
Is there trouble?
Illidan is out there somewhere. I can wait no longer. For the Watchers! Ashal Theridas! Now is the time. Ashal Theridas! For justice! I will finish the hunt. For the Watchers! Ashal Theridas! For justice! The end draws near. I can wait no longer. The guilty will suffer.
My strength is yours.
At once.
We must hurry. I can wait no longer.
Our time is short.
My path is
Are we being invaded?
We're wasting time.
I'm awake. We'll go on.
I am willing to
Where shall I go?
Justice will be done. The end draws near. The hunt awaits.
My watchers are ready.
of
We must
course.
hurry. I will finish the hunt. Now is the time.
Where shall I strike?
Justice will be done.
Our time is short.
Illidan is out there somewhere. The guilty will suffer.
We will find
Our strength
justice.
is yours. I'm awake.
We're
I'm
wasting
awake.
time here. Justice will be done.
Where shall I strike?
Illidan is out there somewhere. I can wait no longer.
I'm awake. I'm awake.
You've come far enough, little warden. Your vaunted night elf justice has no jurisdiction here.
What would you know of us or our justice, Naga witch?
Why, my dear, we Naga were once night elves. We were Sargeras chosen, the Highborn, banished beneath the cruel seas when the Well of Eternity imploded around us.
Impossible.
Cursed, transformed. We have waited 10,000 years to retake our rightful place in the world. And now, with Lord Illidan's help, we shall.
Not while I draw breath.
Your courage is commendable, but it shall avail you nothing.
My path is clear. Our time is short.
We're wasting time here. The hunt awaits. Justice will be done. We're wasting time here. The hunt awaits. I will finish the hunt. We must hurry.
My strength is yours. Anudura.
Illidan is out there somewhere. Now is the time. The end draws near.
What is nature's call?
How may I serve the goddess?
Is there trouble?
We will find justice. It shall be done.
What is nature's call?
We're wasting time here.
I am a blade of the goddess.
Illidan is out there somewhere.
My watchers are ready.
Is there
The
trouble?
hunt awaits. The guilty will suffer. Destroy that barrier so our forces outside can join us. The end draws near. Now is the
In the
time.
Raven's name,
The guilty will suffer.
thy bidding.
Our warriors have engaged.
Justice
in-
will be done. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. Now is the time. The end draws near. For the Watchers. The guilty will suffer. We must hurry.
At once.
Illidan is out there somewhere. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. We must hurry.
Where shall I strike?
Justice will be
Our
done.
time is short.
The hunt awaits. We're wasting time here. We must hurry. Justice will be done. The end draws near. Now is the time.
Up with it.
Are we being invaded? Making trails. Hi!
Out with it.
Are we
Illidan is
being
out there
invaded?
somewhere. The guilty will suffer. The hunt awaits. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. We're wasting time here. Illidan is out there somewhere. We must hurry.
What is nature's call?
Signs of communication.
Justice will be done. We're wasting time here. I will finish the hunt.
My strength is yours.
The hunt awaits. We must hurry. The end draws near.
Look, mistress. More of Gul'dan's glyphs.
Yes, Gul'dan's script seems to grow more desperate. It reads that he was...
Ambushed by the Guardians. I am dying. If my servants had not abandoned me, I could have claimed the Eye and... Damn you, Sargeras. I won't be beaten like this. I am Gul'dan. I am darkness incarnate. It cannot end like this.
This is as far as he got. The runes simply trail off. I cannot imagine what horrors Gul'dan faced in his final moments. I can wait no longer.
Anudora. My path
Illidan
is
is out
clear.
there somewhere. Justice will be done. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. The end draws near. We're wasting time here. I will finish the hunt. I can wait no longer. For justice. The guilty will suffer. For the Watchers. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. Finally, the last piece of the Shadow Orb. Now we'll use Gul'dan's own artifact to discover what he could not. Now is the time. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. Ashal Theranos! For justice! The hunt awaits. The hunt awaits.
I'm awake. I'm awake.
Illidan is out there somewhere. We're wasting time here.
I'm awake.
Justice will be done.
Our time is yours.
We must hurry. Justice will be done. We're wasting time here. Illidan is out there somewhere. Now is the time. I hear dark whispering beyond this gate. It could be Illidan and his minions. Ashal Theranos! The guilty will suffer.
So, Warden Shadowsong, you've made it at last. I knew you would.
You have much to pay for, Illidan. I'm taking you back to your cell.
Naivete does not suit you. When I consumed the power of Gul'dan's skull, I inherited his memories, especially those of this place, and the dark prize he coveted.
Yes, the power of Sargeras. You would claim it as your own.
That power is beyond my reach, little warden. But this... the Eye of Sargeras contains all the power I'll need to rid this wretched world of my enemies once and for all. Ironic that you should be its first victim.
You're insane.
Isolation can do that to the mind. Now, after all the long centuries you kept me chained in darkness, it is only fitting that I bury you in turn.
Stormrage and warn him of his brother's treachery. My power will allow me to escape. But I fear there is no way out for the rest of you.
Go, mistress. The goddess will light our path to the hereafter.
I will not forget you, my sisters. You will be avenged. I swear it. Now I've got to find a way out before this cursed tomb is drowned by the seas. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. Now is the time. I can wait no longer. The guilty will suffer. The end draws near. Now is the time. I will finish the hunt. The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. The end draws near. I can wait no longer. Now is the time. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. The guilty will suffer. Now is the time. The guilty will suffer. I can wait no longer. I will finish the hunt. The end draws near. I will finish the hunt. The guilty will suffer.